what is debt consolidation? Ang debt consolidation po ay yung tinatawag na kino-consolidate natin o kino-combine natin lahat ng ating pagkakautang at nagiging isang debt na lang po siya. So how do you do that? Sometimes, yung pong ginawa ng mga Rivera na example natin, ni-refinance nila yung property, kumuha sila ng equity to pay off all their unsecured debt o yung credit card debt. Or you can go to a bank and apply for lump sum money para i-pay off yung inyong mga credit card debts para po isa na lang ang utang. So ano po yung pros ng debt consolidation? Isa lang po ang interest rate nun. Ibig sabihin, kung dun sa credit card natin, kung meron tayong 5 credit card, iba-iba yung interest rate nun. Sa ating debt consolidation, isang interest rate lang. And when we pay monthly, that's the fixed payment. Karamihan ng debt consolidation, it's a fixed payment and meron po silang term. So halimbawa, kung ang loan na nakuha natin is good for 5 years, then you have to pay all that balance in 5 years. Because as you pay monthly, binabayaran din natin yung principal. And ang credit po natin is protected. Meaning, pag pinay off natin lahat yung credit na yon, magbo-boost ang ating credit score. So, ibig sabihin, tataas. And that's why it's good. So, ano po yung cons? Ang cons, wala tayong discount dun sa mga debt natin. But, like what I said, ang debt consolidation po is very effective way para makatipid tayo doon sa mga interest ng ating credit card na kesa mag-sign tayo ng debt settlement, just do the debt consolidation.